Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Tech Geek. This video is part of the series on tips and tricks. Many desktop and laptop users would have experienced noisy sound of computer CPU fan due to overheat by constant usage. These noisy sounds are really annoying at some times, mostly at night. In this video, I'll guide you how to tweak Windows 10 settings to mitigate these noises by setting maximum CPU limit. Let's get started. Computer processors tend to heat when used on maximum capacity for some time. At times, activity is initiated by the user, but sometimes some bug or virus in computer program can keep CPU usage to maximum, resulting in overheat and pushing cooling fan to run at maximum speed to cool down CPU temperature to optimum level. Optimum level temperature would allow CPU to function at its best. If you don't know what activity is causing CPU usage, follow next steps to set a maximum CPU usage limit for all programs in Windows 10. Open Start, go to PC settings, open System Settings, go to Power and Sleep section, click on Additional Power Settings from right panel, select Change Plan Settings, click to open Advanced Power Settings. Look for processor power management and change maximum processor state to 70%. On battery as well. Wait for few minutes. If noise issue not resolved after few minutes, repeat process to change percentage to 50% or less. Please note, changing this setting is completely safe from all perspectives as you are restricting computer to lower usage level. However, if you set maximum level to 70% or below, you might observe some lag in computer performance at some point. After all, it's a trade-off between performance and comfort. In this video, we learned how to restrict maximum CPU usage in Windows 10 through power settings. Would appreciate your feedback in the comment section. Please note that there is also another option to manage CPU usage more effectively, but that is only for advanced users and will be shared in next video. If you like the content, please share it with your friends to protect them as well from annoying noise of CPU fan. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube and like my page on Facebook. Thanks for your time.